Okay, we got a stainless steel plate over here. Unfortunately, this thing is not 1 inch thick. It's about 3/4 inch thick. So it won't be like really a side-by-side comparison to the other plates where we shot that they were 1 inch or 1.5 inch thick. I did have an 1.25 inch thick stainless steel, but I forgot to grab that. And we'll shoot it with different rounds, see what it does. Okay, let's get back there and see what happens. First round is gonna be the 22 long rifle out of the Walther P22. Okay, nothing happened at all. We hit it one right over there, one here. Not even a mark on it.
Yes.
Not really, if you think about it. Looks like even it was hit with the water balloon. Nada. Next round. Okay, for this test we're gonna do a 9mm and we're using a Glock 19 with Silencer Co. suppressor on it. And we are not gonna need ear protection. Just ready, if you want to leave yours on, go for it. Ready?
Ready.
Go back a little more.
Oh,
We are clear.
3. Oh, the aim is good.
Yeah, of course my aim is good.
And this one, no, and the.
Not on the other ones, huh? Okay, we hit it and wow, nothing happened to it. That bullet disintegrated on the surface. Oh, the stainless steel. Oh look, there's there's a piece of that 9mm here, just ready.
Yes, a little.
Not even, there's no penetration. It just disintegrated on the surface. You can probably just sand this down and you won't even notice anything happen. Here's a piece of that 9mm, just fell right over here. Right there.
Hey, it's hot.
No, it's not. So that was for that. And now we're gonna do 300 blackout.
Oh.
For this next round, we're gonna use 300 blackout using this 300 blackout pistol with the folding stock. And it's got a suppressor from Silencer Co. It's in there. I don't know if you guys can see it or not. Right over there. I don't want to point the rifle at you, just ready. But there it is. With a 7.5 inch barrel. Okay.
Come on, move back.
No ear protection for this either. It's gonna be silent. Okay, go back if you want more. Ready?
Ready.
Fire in the hole. We are clear. Wow. This is unbelievable. Not even a single millimeter or 0.5 millimeter penetration or scratch on this thing. There's no way.
This is a really good stainless steel. This is the good one.
Wow.
I don't know what kind is this.
This is almost better than the titanium, I want to say. Impressive, very impressive. Huh. Okay, next round is gonna be the 7.62 by 39. Got your ears?
Yes.
No suppressor for this. I need one actually. Two just for fun. Clear.
Oh yeah.
Yeah. Wow.
Almost a 1/4 inch.
Yeah. It's about 5-6 millimeters deep. Maybe even 7. No, like 5-6 millimeters deep. Now we'll do AR-15. I'm using the Colt AR-15 and we're doing the 5.56 round. That's ready?
Yes.
Got your ears?
Yes.
Okay.
I'm ready.
Vámonos. That thing came back and hit me on my neck. Clear. I think I missed a couple rounds, but a couple of them landed right over there. Yeah, so this 5.56 went in deeper than the 7.62 by 39. And there's a 7.62 by 39. You know, let's talk about this 300 Blackout. I just remembered I was using suppressed ammo. I don't know, they probably have less gunpowder in those cases. Probably it wasn't going as fast as the other ones. Let me know what you guys think. I'm not expert in this. As always, your opinion probably more important than mine. There's a lot of experts on YouTube. But the reason I think that the 300 Blackout didn't make any holes on top, it's because of a low power suppressed ammo I was using for that suppressed rifle. That 300 Blackout should have made a bigger hole on this, but nothing happened. Okay, not sure if that made sense. Let's do Desert Eagle 50 AE and then one round, and then we'll move on to the
No, 50. Okay.
All right, Desert Eagle next. Next, we're gonna do the Desert Eagle, the Gold Desert Eagle 50 AE. And I'm using these 50 AE Underwood ammo. Thanks to them, they hooked it up. We'll do one round. And there it is. Is that your ears?
Yes.
Okay, here we go. Wow. I didn't miss. Clear. So I shot it right over here and looks like nothing happened almost. Not even maybe 1 millimeter surface damage. That's about it. It defragmented on the surface. That's a big word for me. Defragmented. I usually say evaporated. All right, let's go. All right, we're gonna be using a Serbu BFG 50A and we'll do a Raufoss round. These things, as always, are super deadly, super explosive, and super penetrating. They got a tungsten cord. Ready?
Ready.
All right, here we go with the green tip. Just buddy, what do you think is gonna happen?
I don't start. Maybe stuck over there.
I think it's gonna go through. All right, fire in the hole. Clear. Wow, it didn't move. Put a hole in there.
No.
Yeah. Went in. This whole plate turned black from that explosion on the tip of that Raufoss round. So there's it. There's that. Just buddy, wait. The best way to demonstrate is if I stick something from the back to the front. There you go.
Yeah, go through. Let me see in the back.
There you go. Came out.
Man.
Yeah. That 50 BMG is no joke. So let's put this.
Stainless steel.
But it's pretty good. You know what? If this was at least an inch or maybe inch and a half, like the other plates, like the AR-500 steel that we shot, it's a possibility it would have stopped it. Let's go armor piercing black tip. Okay, so now we're gonna do the black tip. This is the armor piercing. Fire in the hole.
Oh my, you hear that?
Yeah, I went in right next to it.
Come on, come back.
Clear. Let's shoot it one more time.
Of course.
This is the armor piercing incendiary tracer. We are hot. Fire in the hole. Wow, all those 3 rounds came out. So that was the Raufoss. We had a armor piercing and then the armor piercing tracer. All 3 went in and out. So maybe we should bring a thicker plate. Alright, that's it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and as always, thank you for watching. We'll see you guys next time. Let's go.
Catch me, I'll be